Self-doubt is a common issue that can hold individuals back from seizing opportunities and realizing their potential. To overcome it, start by identifying and challenging negative beliefs and thought patterns. Become more self-aware, recognize the inner critic, and question its validity. Practice positive self-talk, replacing negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. Embrace a growth mindset, understanding that you can improve through hard work, persistence, and experience. Focus on your strengths and achievements while acknowledging areas for growth. Seek support from friends, family, coworkers, and mentors for guidance, encouragement, and reassurance. Embrace lifelong learning and take on new challenges to build confidence and competence. Remember, self-doubt isn't an accurate reflection of your abilities. By cultivating self-belief and resilience, you can overcome self-doubt and unlock your full potential, propelling you towards success.